Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing Thermalright Core Vision 360, a high-performance 360mm AIO cooler with stunning RGB display. Let's check out what's inside the box. So at first we have got a manual. So now we have got a box of AMD AM5 socket and Intel socket. So here we got a cable for our LCD display. And here are the sockets of AM4 and AM5 and Intel. And now we have got a cooler itself. The Core Vision 360 comes with a sleek design and customizable RGB lighting. The pump has a bright, vibrant screen that can display CPU, temperature, GIFs or custom animations. The fans are PWM controlled, ensuring the good balance between cooling and performance and noise levels. It supports most modern Intel and AMD sockets, making it versatile for a range of builds.